Let me show you again. Push plug in and adjust rotation the gas adjuster switch to make the gas out. The gas is out, and then you press the button, and the fire will go out. And it can use 360 degree. It's free rotation, and adjust this. Since the fire is soft fire, you can use it to making food, cooking, culinary. And the speed fire is always using to burning and barbecue and camping and many other outdoor activities. You can change as you like. Also, it always meets various needs for many people. So it's always hot. It's also hot there in our store. Many people will choose this one.